Hey, what's up guys, Ali here from isocialu.com and welcome back to my channel. In this video today, we're going to talk about some free websites and some resources that you can use to learn some digital skills for free. Before we jump into it, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the bell icon and like this video. All right, now let's jump into this. And by the way, this is one of the most commonly asked questions. I've been doing daily lives on live videos on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and sometimes even on YouTube. And I get this question a lot. How do I learn digital marketing? How do I learn software development? How do I learn like mobile app development? I think now that most of us are home, people want to learn new skills. And I want to point out some of these companies are giving out free courses and free tools. So I want to share some resources with you in this video today so you can leverage those and learn something new by using this time that you are at home. All right, now let's jump into this. So the first resource I want to share is a really good online course platform. It's called Pluralsight. So here's the pluralsight.com. That's their URL. And look at this. The whole month of April is free. So make sure you jump on this right now. Today is April 8th. So you still have like 3 weeks and more to go. And look at this. So more than 7,000 video courses for free during the month of April. So if you want to develop some skills, let me show you what they have. Most of their courses are very technical. So if I click on courses, so under software development, Python, JavaScript, Java, web development, so a lot of like technical courses. If you go to information and cybersecurity, a lot of these courses, data professional, IT ops. You can also click on browse all technologies and get a list of everything that they have. And imagine, if you use this time that you are quote unquote stuck at home and develop a new skill, when things get better, it's gonna be so much easier for you to maybe find new clients, a freelance gig, or get a new job. So it will be so much better for you. You will be in much better position than people who are just like wasting their time. I forgot what I clicked on. So I guess browsing all categories. So you can see they do have some business and professional skill courses, but most of their courses are, and look at this, right here. But most of their courses are technical courses. All right, that was our platform or tool number one, pluralsight.com. Number two is actually, most of us know them. It's Moz. So Moz is really well known for SEO and SEO tools, SEO freebies, and SEO courses, and they do have some training, SEO training for free. So go to this URL, moz.com blog and Moz Academy free. By the way, if you search for Moz free courses, you will be able to find this link as well. Now look at this. Let me scroll down. So yes, they do have a lot of these courses for free, and I believe through May 31st, so April and May. So you almost have 2 months. You have 2 months to learn SEO skills. And here are different courses: SEO fundamentals, keyword research, page optimization, backlinks, technical SEO, and oh my God, some of these skills, because I run a digital agency, so I work with a lot of other social media, digital and SEO agency owners and also different clients. These skills are very high in demand. I know now it's a little different last couple of weeks, and hopefully we will be out of this situation soon, but the SEO skills, because of the internet, every business is going online, and when every business is online, one of the ways you can stand out from your competition is by doing SEO and attracting organic traffic to your website or to your blog. So these skills are very, very important. So again, go to moz.com/blog/Moz Academy free, and you're gonna see this article, a blog article, and the promo code for this is We Got This. It's right here. We got this. That's a promo code you want to use. So that's our resource number two. Now, resource number three is Udemy.com. So that's a platform where I have tons of courses as well. But you can just go to Udemy.com, sign up as a student, and let's say I want to learn social media, because a lot of people want to learn about social media, digital marketing, and it's going to give you tons and tons of courses. The good thing is you are able to. So if I click on filter, I believe, so under price, so there are 800 courses for free. oh my god, we have no excuse now. So if I click on free, and look at this. Social media crisis, free digital marketing SEO course, introduction to social media in education, social media for financial services. It's just a lot of good courses. So let's say if I want to learn about Instagram marketing, because a lot of people want to build their personal brands or businesses on Instagram. So let's do that. And I want to go back to pricing and select free. So there are 177 courses for free on Instagram marketing on udemy.com. That's incredible. Let me resize this. So yes, use these resources, these tools, and develop a new skill that can benefit you now, and also when this situation is over and when we go back to our normal life, normal clients and working with clients, or freelancing, or maybe you're at your job, you will be able to use these skills and really differentiate yourself from a lot of other people. All right, that was our resource number 3, udemy.com. Number 4 is another course marketplace called Skillshare, and the same thing here as well. You can just go to Skillshare and then let's say I want to search for digital marketing, and you will find tons of courses. And then again, you can filter through some of these courses and find something. You don't have to pay. And by the way, Skillshare is very affordable. I believe you so I can actually select different teachers. It seems like my internet is running super slow. Look at this. So I'm gonna click on from class type free, and look at this, a lot of courses for free. So guys, we looked at 4 different resources that you can use to polish your digital skills, or maybe learn a new skill by using this time that we have right now. Most of us are at home, so you can use this time to learn something new and really stand out from other people, stand out from your competition when we jump back into, let's say, the job market, or in the normal everyday life again, and hopefully pretty soon. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Before you go, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon, and like this video. And if you have any questions, leave those questions in the comments below. I would love to provide my insights, love to communicate with you, engage with you. Before you go, thanks a lot, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.